Transform your vanity with the PAJIRIONA Makeup Organizer. This sleek, green skincare organizer not only looks stylish but also maximizes your space with its spacious drawers. Perfect for your dresser or bathroom countertop, it keeps your cosmetics neatly displayed and easily accessible. With a convenient handle, moving it around is a breeze. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized beauty. Elevate your makeup game and make your daily routine a little more enjoyable with this must-have storage solution. Transform your space with SORBUS shelves. These stylish 24-inch shelves are perfect for any room, be it your bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen. With their rustic brown finish and visible brackets, they not only save space but also enhance your home decor. Organize your books or display your favorite items effortlessly. Elevate your home with these chic and functional shelves. Transform your space with the over-the-door organizer. This stylish, ivory, 6-tier storage solution is perfect for any entryway or closet. Made from durable 100D fabric, it can hold up to 50 pounds, making it incredibly sturdy. With 12 side mesh pockets, you'll have plenty of room for shoes, accessories, and more, keeping everything organized and within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a neat, tidy environment. Whether you're looking to optimize your shoe storage or simply need extra space, this organizer is a game changer. Elevate your home organization today with this functional and chic over-the-door solution. Transform your space with this stylish rotating bookshelf. Featuring 6 tiers of solid wood, this bookshelf not only offers ample storage, but also adds a touch of elegance to any room. The 360 degrees spinning design makes it easy to access your favorite books, whether in a cozy corner or a busy home office. Plus, with lockable wheels, you can move it around effortlessly or keep it securely in place. Ideal for small spaces, kids' rooms, or anywhere you want to showcase your collection. Its rich walnut finish complements a variety of decor styles, making it a versatile addition to your home. Embrace functionality and style with this unique revolving bookcase, perfect for organizing and displaying your cherished reads. Transform your bedroom with a BARNFURIN full bed frame. Featuring a stunning cloud boucle headboard and soft rounded corners, this elegant design offers both style and comfort. The low-profile aesthetic is perfect for any decor, while sturdy wooden slats provide reliable mattress support. No box spring needed. Elevate your space with this chic and cozy addition. Transform your space with the JACKYLED 84-foot ID garland. These stunning artificial vines, paired with enchanting LED string lights, create a magical ambience. Perfect for bedrooms, gardens, or parties, they effortlessly elevate your decor. Bring your walls to life and enjoy the beauty of nature without the upkeep. Transform your space with the DeRose 3-pack fake plants. These stunning sage green frosted eucalyptus plants are perfect for any office or bathroom decor. They're pet and child safe, giving you peace of mind while enhancing your environment. With no maintenance required, you can effortlessly brighten up your desk, shelf, or kitchen. Imagine how these versatile plants will elevate your coffee table or farmhouse style. Bring a touch of nature into your home without the hassle. DeRose's artificial plants are your go-to solution for stylish and worry-free decor. Transform your space with the JETEC 5 PCS Moon Phase Wall Art Decor. This stunning set captures the beauty of the lunar cycle, bringing a touch of spirituality and elegance to any room. Crafted from high-quality wood and designed with a Nordic boho aesthetic, these pieces are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or dorms. Each moon phase is intricately detailed, making it a striking focal point that resonates with nature lovers and dreamers alike. Hang them together for a cohesive look or mix them into your existing decor for a unique twist. Whether you're an astrology enthusiast or simply appreciate beautiful art, this lunar-inspired decor will elevate your home ambience. Embrace the magic of the moon and let your walls tell a story with the JETEC Moon Phase Wall Art. Transform your space with these upgraded closet organizers. This 5-pack of foldable storage bins is perfect for any room, whether it's your bathroom, laundry area, or wardrobe. These stackable baskets not only save space but also keep your clothes neatly organized. No more clutter. Simply fold them away when not in use for a tidy look. Elevate your organization game and make your home feel more spacious with these stylish and practical storage solutions. Get yours today! Transform your living space with the SUNMORY floor lamp with shelves. This modern 63-inch tall lamp not only illuminates your room but also offers a stylish 4-tier bookshelf for all your favorite reads. Featuring 3 color temperature LED bulbs, you can easily set the perfect mood, whether you're reading, entertaining, or relaxing. Its sleek black design seamlessly fits into any bedroom, office, or home decor. Elevate your space with this multifunctional piece that combines form and function in a chic way. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to style with the SUNMORY floor lamp, where practicality meets elegance. Light up your life and showcase your personality today. Transform your space with the elegant room divider with shelves. Standing at 66.9 inches tall, this Japanese shoji style wood screen effortlessly combines functionality and style. With 6 panels and double hinges, it's perfect for creating cozy nooks or separating areas in your home office. Add a touch of sophistication while maximizing your decor options. Discover how this stunning piece can redefine your living space today. Transform your space with the MKONO MACRAME hanging shelves. These stylish floating wood shelves add a boho touch to any room, perfect for displaying plants, photos, or your favorite decor. Ideal for teen girls looking to personalize their bedroom, bathroom, or dorm. Create a cozy atmosphere and showcase your unique style with these charming shelves. Welcome to stylish organization. Check out this hall tree with bench and shoe storage, a perfect addition to any entryway. Its rustic brown finish adds charm while offering a smart 5-in-1 design. With 17 hooks, you can hang coats, hats, and bags effortlessly. The 2 spacious drawers are ideal for stashing away essentials, keeping your space tidy and clutter-free. Plus, the handy clothes rail ensures your favorite outfits are always on display. Whether you're rushing out the door or welcoming guests, this hall tree combines practicality with aesthetics. Transform your entryway into a functional and stylish space. Don't miss out on this must-have piece for your home. Transform your space with the pink touch table lamp. This adorable bedside lamp features a stylish square pink shade and a chic white base, perfect for teen girls and kids. With a convenient USB-C and USB port, it's easy to charge your devices. Plus, the 3-way dimmable LED bulb lets you create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Brighten up your nightstand or desk and add a cute touch to your room decor. Transform your space with the Galaxy Projector Night Light. This 13-in-1 planetarium projector brings the universe to your bedroom, casting a stunning starry sky on your ceiling. With its 360 degrees rotation and customizable timer, create the perfect ambience for relaxation or play. It's a perfect addition to kids' rooms, igniting their imagination as they drift off to sleep under a canopy of stars. Whether for bedtime stories or cozy movie nights, this projector elevates your decor and brings the cosmos indoors. Embrace the magic of the night sky with the Galaxy Projector Night Light. Transform your bedroom with the ENHOMEE Queen Bed Frame. Featuring 6 spacious storage drawers, a convenient charge station, and stylish LED lights, this frame combines functionality with modern design. Its sturdy construction supports up to 1,100 pounds and eliminates noise, ensuring peaceful nights. Plus, with easy assembly and no box spring required, you'll be sleeping in style in no time. Transform your space with the enchanted WILLOW vine lights. With 160 vibrant LEDs and an impressive 8.2 feet of length, these voice-activated lights are perfect for any occasion, be it Christmas, weddings, or parties. Switch between warm and colorful modes to set the perfect mood. Elevate your home decor effortlessly with this enchanting addition. Transform your space with the stunning 2x6 tie-dyed black and white runner rug. This fluffy shag carpet not only adds a touch of style to your bedroom or hallway, but it also brings comfort to your feet. Its soft, plush texture is perfect for any indoor area, be it an entryway, bathroom, or living room. Plus, the non-slip design ensures safety while enhancing your home decor. Elevate your interiors effortlessly with this stylish and functional piece. Make every step a cozy experience with the ultimate addition to your home. Transform your space with the soft beige shaggy area rug. This machine washable rug not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures easy maintenance. Imagine stepping onto its plush surface, instantly elevating your comfort. Its neutral tone complements any decor, making it a versatile choice for living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. Plus, the convenience of machine washing means it stays fresh and vibrant with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to cozy up a room or make a style statement, this rug is the perfect addition to your home. Upgrade your space today and experience the comfort for yourself.